here with 325 and we're here to help the others. And mates, it's not easy. As you guys can see, there's a storm coming our way.
My girlfriend, oh sorry, not my girlfriend. My girlfriend was pregnant, but she got a miscarriage, but now it's fine. We're good now.
You're good. Megan is taking us to Cape Flats.
You speak your first language?
If this video ends in a weird way.
Africa?
No one in Mathaba speaks Afrikaans. Really? We're not that colored.
No ways.
The Vussy life in Cape Town. We're here with 325 and we're here to help the others. And mates, it's not easy. As you guys can see, there's a storm coming our way. And I wish you guys nothing but all the best of luck. And yeah.
Yo, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the vlog. So this is actually day one of Cape Town. We're actually going to be here for a while. So the first thing that we did as soon as we landed in Cape Town, me and a bunch of more traders included, we went to the hotel, we checked in, we dropped our clothes, and then we went to the place that you can see in the vlog right now. So we got there. It was supposed to be a charity event, you understand, but I'm telling you guys, no lies, as soon as we arrived, we landed, yo, the weather started acting up crazy. I mean, there was wind. There was a lot of wind, actually. Like, we could tell as soon as we landed. But as soon as we got to this place here, I don't know the exact name, I forgot. But it started drizzling, and the rain became more and more and more. We ended up getting soaked, like all of us, you understand. But we had to understand that we're not here for our own sakes. We actually came here to do the thing that you're seeing us do, which is we had to come give food and some clothes. We had hats and we had gloves and stuff like that, you understand, to these people. So we had to understand that, yo, as much as the weather is going crazy and we're actually soaking wet, this whole thing is bigger than us, you understand. As much as Trade 245 hit us up to come and do this young operation here, but it's actually bigger than us to see that we're doing something for the benefit of someone else other than us, you understand. So everybody was chilled. It wasn't a crazy commotion, and some of the people, you could tell that they're grateful, you understand. You could tell that at the time that we pulled up and the weather being as crazy as it is, man, this actually made a lot of people's days. Shout out to Trade 245, man. I can't tell you how much this means to me to be able to do this. Not just me, but a lot of traders that were there. This meant a lot that we could be able to be a part of something of this nature, understand. So yeah, we just handed out food. It was a lot of food and a lot of gloves and hats and stuff like that, so that the people can keep themselves warm, you understand. Shout out to 245, man. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the hotel room tour. We're gonna call it a hotel room tour or whatever. I don't know how this thing goes, but yeah, just finally arrived here. Hey, listen, I'm gonna drop so much content, man. So much content. You niggas are not even going to believe it. But before we go and talk about that, we gotta talk about the view. Actually, see, it's not the most pleasing view. But if you can look at what you see there, that's what I'm using basically, so I can just get over what's happening here. So, you know, let's not focus on the negativity, because there's just positivity out there, the waters, the oceans, and the whatnot. And also, I told you niggas already, the weather is not the most perfect one. You know, the weather is not the most perfect one. And I tried to look at the, can I take this thing a little bit higher now? Automated, oh shit. It says automated. I almost pulled the thing up. You know what I'm saying? But it says here, blind remote. So, when I push up a little bit, what's happening now? I'm gonna scan first. Dude. But if I remove that thing now, and then, because I gotta remove the card there. But if I remove it now, we are not going to be able to have the light, you understand? So, I told you guys we came here for a seminar. And I just want to say before actually going to that, today's video has been sponsored by none other than Trade 245. You understand? Pull that shit out like the Superman suit. You know what I'm saying? Today's video has been sponsored by Trade 245. It's actually been the platform that I've been using to grow my previous accounts. I've shown you guys on the previous videos of my live trading sessions, not live, but like pre-recorded trading sessions. I'm gonna put the link in the bio. That's my recommended broker, and I also showed you guys I've been scammed before by other brokers. So that's the broker I'm rolling with. So shout out to them. They reached out and then they wanted to do something for the channel and involve us in some of these things. So yeah, that's the sponsor of the video. So shout out to 245, man, big ups. So we came to do a seminar. We might have to do some charity work today. I might just vlog that too. But you see now, the elephant in the room is, you see where I'm sleeping, né? It's two beds. Two beds. Me, I'm sleeping there, né? There's someone sleeping here, né? There's someone sleeping here. And you guys are not going to guess who is on the other bed, né? You guys are not gonna guess who's on the other bed. I'm gonna let you guys guess. Leave it in the comment section. But the brew is about to come, like now. The brew is about to pull up now. I just want to get food or something like that. I don't know. We got the telly. The telly is talking about live TV, apps, restaurants, so I think you do everything here. Yeah, you do everything here. And then there's a robot here. I don't know. So you do everything on the telly, according to the way I'm seeing it. Ha! You won't believe who is coming. How you can enter, my brother?
Okay, guys, the president is here. Right? It's here, guys. The president is about to drink coffee first and then engage. Yes. Yeah. What must I tell your viewers?
What do you want to tell the people? Because I haven't seen you online in a little bit. What were you up to? What's happening?
My girlfriend, also not my girlfriend. My girlfriend was pregnant, but she got a miscarriage. But now it's fine. We're good.
You're good.
That's a joke.
This guy, you guys can see what's about to happen. I'm supposed to be trouble. But shout out to Ndamsi NFI, follow him on Instagram. So yeah. The bro just had to be on the call. Come on, I know I'm shooting content, but I don't want to be rude. You understand? So this is where we're about to stumble this weekend at night or in the midnight. This is where we're going to be stumbling as we make our way to the room. You understand? Yeah. So I think I'm just going to end this video here. You understand? I don't know yet what's about to happen as far as the charity thing. I don't know, but all I know is me. I'm hungry now, so gotta get something to eat. Understand? Wanna get something to eat. Cape Town is a bit disappointing because the weather is the biggest problem here. You understand? The weather is the biggest problem. I would love to go to the beach, but I don't know. And somehow it feels like a weekend, and it's Wednesday, but it feels like a weekend. I have to discipline myself to keep trading and keep putting out content for y'all. So y'all know what you need to do. You need to go comment, like, comment, subscribe, click the bell notification icon so you don't miss out on any future drops. And if y'all put more likes in these videos, I'm gonna keep more content coming. I'm gonna give you guys more content. I'm here for like a week or something until like next week. So if y'all wanna see more of this, you know what you gotta do. You gotta like, comment, subscribe, keep the bell notification icon. Right now I'm about to go change into something a little bit more trader-ish. Yeah. You understand? So yeah, it's about to get rowdy. I hope you guys are ready for the ride. Peace out.